Hey there, Treviso fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here in Treviso Bay, Naples. It's 9915 Corso Bello, part of the estate line of homes that you're going to find here in Treviso Bay. This does come with a full TPC golf membership inclusive, as well as a beautiful golf course view at the back. The floor plan here is called the Laurel. So with the Laurel floor plan, you're going to get 3,600 square foot. And downstairs, you're going to get 3 bedrooms, a den, plus all your living spaces. Upstairs, you have a beautiful bonus room. So let's start off to the right, where you find the dedicated dining space here, perfect for your evening dinners. And then directly in front of the entryway here, you have this beautiful sitting area showcased here with a baby grand piano and also access out to your pool area. Now, right off of this space, you have the formal den. So this is a true den. There are no closets in this room, so it is a true office space. And then we have the owner's retreat here just off of that really large space here with access out to your lanai. And then we have the owner's bath here with multiple closets, really large walk-in style closets with wood shelves. And then we have split vanities, one on each side here with granite countertops, your soaking tub, your walk-in shower, and then also your water closet right here. Now coming back out towards the opposite side of the home, we're going to cross right through past the dining space. And we're going to take a look at the guest bedrooms as well as access to your garage and your laundry space. So this is access to your 3-car garage there. You've got a storage closet here. Nice size laundry space with your full-size washer and dryer, as well as additional cabinetry and storage, and your utility sink. Then we have your guest bedroom. So this is guest bedroom number 1 down here. And then right past that, you have your guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, and shower here with the glass doors. Right here, the stairwell is where the access to your upstairs bonus room is. We'll take a look at that here shortly. Here's guest bedroom number 2. And the nice part about this one here is it does tie into the pool bath. So you have ensuite access to the pool bath with this bedroom here. And then right off that bedroom, we have your nice open kitchen space here, again with granite countertops. You do get gas cooking here, which is a really nice option. And this all overlooks your eat-in kitchen area, as well as your main great room space. Now outside, you've got this huge lanai and pool area. Really beautifully done. Tons of space here. Plenty of room under truss for protection from the elements, but also plenty of room to get a suntan out by your pool and spa. So plenty of room out here to enjoy the Florida lifestyle. And we have our outdoor kitchen with the vented hood, as well as your fridge and sink. And this also is where you're going to get access to that bedroom that I mentioned that has the pool bath. So this is your pool bath right here. Now, as far as the view is concerned, you do have a view of the golf course here. It's really spectacular viewpoint, nice and private, but also you get to watch the golfers go by and enjoy a little lake view off to the left. Now coming back into the house, we are going to preview the upstairs bonus room, and that's going to be the last piece of the puzzle for this beautiful estate home here at Treviso Bay. So coming upstairs, you're going to find this huge bonus room, which can be used as an extra bedroom. You do have a sink and a fridge here, as well as a full bath. And then you also have the Murphy bed that these folks have set up, so you can use it as an additional guest room or just an additional space for enjoyment. And you also have the terrace out here overlooking your views as well. So beautiful, beautiful home here at Treviso Bay. If you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.